Who is the inventor of the air conditioner? The air conditioner can be defined as an electrical device that has been invented to adapt the air temperature to the required degree in summer and winter. It is a device consisting of internal and external units. It is installed inside the rooms of houses, companies, factories, shops, universities, schools, or even inside cars, where it reduces the temperature of the air in the summer, and raise in winter, commensurate with the temperature of the human body, and air conditioning is one of the most important amenities most prevalent at the moment. American engineer and inventor Willis Haviland Carrier. He is the inventor of a sophisticated air conditioner, a Republican associate, Presbyterian Church. Carrier was born on November 26, 1877, in the city of Angola, New York State, USA. Carrier began his experiments and research in order to reach a device through which to provide an appropriate working environment, where in the year 1900 and 200 of the invention of the first air conditioner, and registered as a patent in the year 1906. Carrier developed the principle of air conditioning in the year 1907. He developed a centrifuge mechanism, the use of an air conditioning device in the central cooling operation of large areas, and in the year 1928 was able to invent air conditioner that can be used in the adaptation of homes and small spaces, but soon these devices were congested, because of the First World War, later to become popular and widespread. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and subscribe the channel.